Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be creating this everyday soft glam look for you. I just think this is perfect for work. It's perfect for people that are on the go, that just want a simple look to create, to make them feel a bit sexier or more beautiful, or just genuinely make them feel good. This is my go-to look to do that, so I hope you enjoy it. If you want to find out how I created this from start to finish, then keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to go in with is the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Go, and this is just to prime my skin. I just take about a pea size and literally rub that into my face. And I find that this gives me a really nice even complexion when I put my foundation on, so great for that. Then I'm going to go in with the Tarte Hydrating Foundation. This is a Shape Tape one, and I'm just going to blend all of that in. For an everyday makeup look, you really don't need a lot of makeup. Like half the time, probably 99% of the time, I wouldn't wear foundation anyway. But I'm just doing that for you guys because I know the majority of you probably do wear foundation on a daily basis. So just wanted to create it so you know what it would be like if you did this routine. I think if you're in a rush in the morning, if you're getting ready for work, if you've got children, this could be a really great look for you because it's very, very simple, but also looks very, very beautiful. So once your foundation is blended in, I'm going to take my MAC Give Me Sun finishing powder and a large fluffy brush. And for me, this just gives me a little bit more colour. If you have an oily T-zone, you may want to powder your nose or your oily areas. Obviously, because I'm doing this in the evening, I'm not going to do that, but I would probably suggest doing that if you are doing this in the morning and you do have an oily T-zone. It helps. It really does help. Now I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. I'm going to use this as a highlight. Highlighting these areas of your face will really make your skin look dewy and bring it to life and make you look more refreshed, especially if you're feeling tired. And I just pat that in. One step I didn't add is concealer. This is something I don't usually do in the mornings, but I would suggest if you do use concealer, just add this step in. As you can see, that's just made me look more dewy. So now I'm going to go in with the Topshop Smoky Eye Palette, which looks like this. So first I'm going to prep my eyes. And I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm just going to blend that in. Then I'm going to take a fluffy brush and this gorgeous bronzy shade right here, and just pop that all over my lid. You can choose whatever shade you like, but I like to go more bronzy. I feel like a bronze shimmer makes you look a bit more glam, like so. Then I'm going to take the small end of this brush and dip it into this lighter shimmer shade right here. I'm just going to put that in my brow bone. Then I'm going to take this So Me Beauty Brow Kit. I'm just going to do my brows. And then I'm going to take the NYX Professional Makeup Control Freak Brow Gel, just to go over my brows. Then I'm going to grab some blusher, the shade right here, which is a peachy shade. Just pop that on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to brighten up my highlights. I'm going to go in with the NYX Born to Glow highlight palette. I'm going to go in with the NYX Full Figured Mascara. And then for lipstick, I'm going to go in with the NYX Professional Makeup Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cypress and the lip pencil. So I'll do the lip pencil first. I like to go with more pinky nude shades, especially for work. Obviously use whatever shade that you would like to use. So this is it, guys. This is the final makeup look. So as you can tell, really simple to create. You can either increase the products that you use or decrease the amount that you use. You don't have to do the full look, or you can find alternatives to all of the products that I've used that you probably already have. It's just products you love to use just to create a really nice, simple, soft, glam makeup look. I really love how these turn out. I love wearing this type of look every day. It's great for work, great for just if you're going out, or even if you just want to look a little bit more glam, or you want to feel a bit nicer. It's a great look to go for, and I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!